Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save Reels video on Instagram to gallery. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram app. Now open up your camera. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you can see the Reels option. Click on it. You'll have to enable Save Reels to Device option. Now the reels that you publish in upcoming days will automatically be saved in your device. Now for the reels that you have already uploaded, go to the reel that you want to save. Now click on the reel and tap on three vertical dots in the bottom right corner and go to manage option. Now click on download option and if you're sure, tap on download once again. Now go check your gallery and you can see that the reel has been downloaded. So that is how you can save reels on Instagram to gallery. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.